Welcome to Tech Tether. Brostrend Wi-Fi extender setup. Brostrend Wi-Fi extender setup using re.brostrend.com. Unbox your extender. Plug in the extender to electric supply and turn on the extender. Open Wi-Fi list on your phone or computer. Connect to default Brostrend_ext open network. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter the web address re.brostrend.com in the address bar. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. In your first login you can choose your admin and password. Select near Wi-Fi names with your existing router and then set up SSID and password. Through color your signal LED on your extender you can know the connection between extender and existing router. Brostrend extender setup via WPS button. First press the WPS button on existing router for 1-2 seconds. Then rest the WPS button on Brostrend within 2 minutes. When WPS LED blinks, the extender is trying to connect with your existing router. Once the signal LED lights solid blue, your Brostrend extender has established a good connection with your existing router. Once is connected you can use it anywhere under the range. You can do this by using your smartphone, tablet and PC. Thanks for watching.